Okay, this is a quick video. I thought I might as well give evidence to show you guys how easily it is to make an account on Fiverr as a seller and obviously commit fraud. So if you like the idea of committing fraud, Fiverr is the best place to be. I'm sorry, I'm actually laughing as well at the same time because obviously I'm speaking to a representative and I found it a bit amusing because obviously I'm giving evidence and the representative is telling me, by the way, we'll have to wait for the buyer to see what response he gives. So I'm like, lost for words. So this is a something, when you give evidence, hardcore evidence on a seller that is just spamming for backlinks. So I'm trying to get backlinks for SEO, yeah. And one of the sellers has decided to give me a link, just a link for this. So as you can see here, I'm trying to report this seller. I do apologize, guys, in advance. So, okay. I understand sometimes obviously the representative don't know what the backlink. Okay, I'm trying to obviously okay. Let me take a breath. Let me explain the situation here first. Okay. Sorry, I do apologize, obviously, guys, if you don't understand why I'm laughing, what's going on. So here we have a we have a representative here. Yeah, I'm trying to explain to the representative that regarding this seller that obviously is committing fraud, he's broken the terms or conditions for Fiverr. So what the seller has given me, he's given me a bunch of links here that lead to nowhere. They're not even, I wouldn't even classify them as backlinks. So so here, as you can see here, he's giving me all these bunch of links. So I'll try not to disclose any personal information, but here's one of the links. So anyone that sees this link, you will this is not a backlink. I wish it was. So he's giving me a link in the website as a backlink. So obviously you have to be wary regarding certain sellers on Fiverr. Understand? So I'm trying to keep it. So you have to understand, yeah, that obviously certain backlinks, obviously you should be looking at the organic monthly traffic on the website and how long it has been aged. So and at the same time looking at certain links. So he's decided to give me a website, tumblr.com, which again a dashboard. So he's giving me a link for a backlink. So he's trying to fool me, yeah. I'm not fooled, damn it. You might be able to fool any other seller out there, or sorry, any other buyer out there, but this video is specifically for those buyers that are out there. Stop buying these damn links. So personally, obviously you can get away with $100, but 10 do follow links, backlinks that have high organic monthly traffic, at the same time have domain authority high. You can get away with $120, roughly about that, $150 maybe. So this is something that obviously a lot of people as buyers obviously need to look into and be wary regarding this. On a normal case, obviously certain representatives don't understand exactly how it's working. They would actually make adjustments or even ban the seller from doing this. But overall, this is what's happened, and right now they haven't gone about obviously banning the seller preventing him from doing this. I have given evidence to show that the clip that he's given me. I sometimes feel like Fiverr is on the seller side. I do apologize, obviously, if you guys are in Fiverr, if you're watching this, you guys crack me up as well, but I understand that obviously you have to do checks on a regular basis, but I think your representative need to know certain areas, certain areas. You should have an SEO specialist instead of this guy. this guy obviously literally says he's a specialist, but he's not. He's claiming that he can do this, but again, I got duped. This was on a manager request, so before anyone says, "Oh, it's your fault," did you obviously look into this? And no, this was in the manager request. The guy literally said he does a professional. he does a professional. So as you can see, you know when you want a face palm, you don't want to look. You just don't have a look. So this guy is a professional digital marketing person. Yeah, so here, as you can see here, he's giving all the ticks there. I've already explained in my other video regarding regarding SEO, how it's done and what to look out for. So this, obviously, I thought might just make a video and obviously show you guys what this is all about. So here he goes, it's a guarantee. Please be aware that it's impossible for any developer or SEO expert to guarantee certain placement within the search engine. I do guarantee to check out this very best technique, and obviously he's found a technique from back of his house. I have no idea. So he's showing. I'm trying to calm down, relax. Okay, but here I feel like he used the bots, and he's already broken all the terms and conditions with Fiverr, and Fiverr not seeing this through. It's a bit unfortunate that obviously that the Fiverr at this occasion has not able to do, or she hasn't been done anything regarding this. So this is the message I got from this seller in my manager request. I was happy if he were to just do 5 or even 1 for this occasion, but here obviously if he's giving you something like this, then obviously know that this is not what I'm looking at. So this guy should be banned because of the fraud he's committed. But other than that, thanks for watching. Do like us, like and subscribe our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. But beware, that's just gotta say, beware. This is the Fiverr beginner's guide, so watch out for other videos, but it gives you a glimpse exactly how easy it is to be a seller on Fiverr, to commit this kind of fraud with evidence shown, and Fiverr is not ready to accept it. They don't see that it's an issue here. I've given evidence to show, backed up my evidence. I even spoke to the chat representative, and even showed an image on a lincoln.com classified obviously for the seller, obviously saying it's a backlink. So he's done this intentionally, so his account should be banned. So I've reported this, and I do sincerely hope that obviously going forward, obviously that Fiverr changes their behavior on buyers such as like this. You get a lot of buyers like this, so to be aware regarding this. But other than that, I do appreciate also you guys supporting us, liking us, subscribing us, and yeah, let the world know about this buyer, this seller, sorry, excuse me.